Maurice Green, your senior credit coach for GATT Enterprises LLC. Now the question before me today is, do I need a credit repair law firm? No, you do not. You don't need a law firm, and I doubt it very seriously if there are a lot of law firms out here that even takes on the challenge of repairing your credit. There are a lot of companies that operate up under the law, and they say, you know, law firm, but they're actually really not lawyers. They may be paralegals, okay? And so actually you do not need an attorney in order to challenge the credit bureaus according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. You don't need a law firm to do that. That's something you can actually get a professional, someone that's even not a lawyer but understands that specific law and know how to challenge the credit bureaus. I'm sure it's something you can do. There are a lot of credit repair companies out here that will send dispute letters for you. That method is not very effective to me. That's my professional opinion. But if you'd like more details, click the link below, or call the number, or visit the website for a free consultation with one of the coaches here or myself, and we'll be glad to answer any more questions about that. Hope that information was helpful, and so I'll see you guys next time. You have a nice afternoon. Okay? See you later. Bye.